Okay, kanan.
But if it's not hazy that you can see, and foggy that we can see from here, the side of Jordan Valley, part of the side of Jordan Valley. Yeah. All the mountains that you can see there, black and green color,
Yeah.
that's full of iron and copper. Yeah. Because the copper, when it's oxide, it will be like a green color, right?
Can we...
Ano, Ate Angie, nakaka-65 na daw tayo. 65% na daw.
Ah, okay.
Yo naman. Hindi kami Oo. Kami hindi makakapagpahinga at magpipicture lang kami dyan sa may flag.
Wala na yung plug ko. Kailangan maghilamos mo. Paray ko. Wala mo nang lumagkit yan. Para mas maraming kumapit. Yala ka, Binti.
It's so foggy. As of today, it's so foggy. Oo. Foggy and dusty. So, yun ang mga kasama ko. And then, nandun si Ate Angie at Ilsa, mga aming tour guide. And then, naroon sila. So, yan. So, it's like 3 to 4 hours hiking ng bonggang-bongga. So, it's a once in a lifetime talaga itong aming ginawang hiking dito sa May Petra.